In this video, I will show you how to create a recurring meeting with a Google Meet link. I will also show you how to use that link in other calendar events. To create a meeting, I just click on my calendar where I want the meeting to start. In this case, I'm going to say on the 17th at 10 a.m. Here, I'm going to give my meeting a title. I will add my guests by pasting in the student Google accounts, which is their student ID number at tri-county.us. When I add the guest list in, it will automatically add this event to their Google Calendar, and it will also add the conference meeting to the meet.google.com. Okay. You can see by adding a meeting, I automatically have a link in here, and I am actually going to repeat this. So I'm going to go to more options here, and I can choose custom. And this is going to repeat every Thursday and Friday, and it's going to repeat every 2 weeks on Thursday and Friday. And I'm going to run this through first trimester, and I can always run it longer as I know the schedule as we near trimester 2. Okay, so Thursday, Friday, every 2 weeks, and done. And now I'm going to save that meeting so I can see I have the grade 10 morning meeting, and it is every other week at 10. So now I'm going to add an afternoon meeting. So it's going to start at 12:30. And it's only going to go till 1 o'clock. So I'm going to go to my more options here so I can go back to that custom repeater. So this is going to be grade 10 afternoon meeting. And what I need to do is go back and get the conference link. So okay, I'm just going to leave it like this for now. I would add my guests in here. So notice when I choose add, this is a different link than the one that was before. So let me save this. Let me put my repeater in here. So again, this is Thursday, Friday, every 2 weeks, and I'm going to end it at the end of the trimester and choose save. So now I have 2 meetings for the same students, and they have 2 different links. If I want those links to be the same, I'm going to copy this link here. And I'm going to go back to my afternoon 10, and I'm going to go edit. And now I can click that arrow, and now it says meeting ID. I can edit that meeting ID and paste the meeting ID from my morning meeting, save, and I'm going to save it for all of these grade 10 afternoon meeting events and choose OK. Now I can have my meetings, VKC, VKC. So you can see all of my meetings now have the same link. You could do the same thing. So if I'm on this meeting and now I'm going to schedule an after school meeting or a 2 o'clock meeting, I could come here and choose duplicate. This would keep my guest list. So if it's the grade 10 students, it's the same grade 10 students for all 3 meetings. It would copy my guest list, and you can see it automatically copied my meeting. So if I'm going to have the same guest list and the same link, I would want to duplicate. I'm going to go ahead and then I could just change my times, and you can see that it still keeps my the Thursday, Friday every 2 weeks, ending in the trimester. So using the duplicate feature is also an easy time saver. I'm going to discard this. I don't need that extra meeting. So again, if it's the same students and you want the same link, you can just click it once, go to your 3 dots, and choose duplicate. If you've already created the 2 meetings and you just want to copy the link, click on the meeting. You got to edit the meeting. Go to the arrow here. Copy this link. Control C is going to copy. And then I didn't make any changes. I'm just going to exit out. Go to the meeting that I want to have that same link in it. Click the arrow and then Control V and save. Hope this is helpful.